Welcome to the Omnimetrics OmniView tutorial covering Configure Parameters. With all of our units, the first thing I'm going to do is hover my mouse over the unit ID and left-click. Once the unit is open, I will hover my mouse over the Configure menu and choose the Parameters tab. This opens up the Machine Parameter Edit screen. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little larger so I can show you how it works. I'm going to click on Show All Rows, and then I'm going to click on the Edit box. Once you have opened up the parameters for editing, you can choose to delete them. You can change the parameter name, change the units of measurement, change the minimum and maximum value for the graphing function, change the low alarm and high alarm, the pre-offset, the scale factor, the offset, the low valid, the high valid. The calculated parameter can be checked or unchecked. The threshold can be checked or unchecked. The 16-bit and the decimal places, and also the message parameter. For the purposes of our demonstration, we're just going to be looking at changing the minimum and maximum values for when you graph, and changing the alarm value on the output voltage and output current. Changing the minimum and maximum values when you graph is as simple as adding a new number to the minimum value or the maximum value, and when you graph the function next, it will have those values on the y-axis of the graph. Changing the alarm values of the output voltage and output current is as simple as changing the values for the graph. For instance, the output voltage on this unit is set to alarm at 2 volts on the low side, and the high side is 50 volts. Let's say we wanted to change that 50 volt number to 20 volts. I would highlight it, type in 20, and once I save those changes, the new output voltage high alarm will be 20 volts. I click on the Save Changes, and you notice that the high alarm value for the output voltage is now 20. Let's go back to the user main page now, and this concludes the Configure Parameters OmniView tutorial. Thank you for watching.